It's great to have you here. Your presence makes our learning community stronger. Get your gadgets ready for another fantastic class. Don't just watch, try it out. Knowledge becomes valuable when it's put into practice. Ready? Let's practice some magic. Our first category is from idea to design with Magic Design. In this category, we will explore 3 remarkable tools designed to assist you in effortlessly transforming your creative ideas into beautiful designs, captivating presentations, and engaging videos. The key aspect of this category is the ability to start the design process with a prompt. Previously, you would have had to search for a template and sift through options to find the right fit for your vision. But with the Magic Design, powered by AI, the tool generates unique design templates tailored to your prompt. Let's jump into Canva to witness the AI magic in action. Accessing your Magic Studio. Log into your Canva account and navigate to your home page. Look for the Magic Studio option on your home page, located in the left side menu. Click on it to enter the magical world of AI-powered design. It's time to create effortlessly. Introduction to Magic Design. Within the Magic Studio, you'll find a range of AI tools, including Magic Design. Magic Design is our first tool on Idea to Design category. This powerful tool can help you create stunning design with minimal effort, using Magic Design to generate templates. To begin your design process with Magic Design, start by describing the type of design you want. This should be a prompt that captures your creative idea. You can either enter your design idea prompt directly onto the search bar on the home page or by clicking Try the Magic Design option within the Magic Studio. Meeting the Magic Design. After clicking on the Magic Design, a window with the instructions will appear. Click on Try Magic Design to start your creative journey. Head to the search bar and enter a prompt for a specific design. For example, if you want to create a WhatsApp status, type inspirational quote for WhatsApp status and press enter. Exploring the generated designs. The AI will generate 2 levels of designs for you, your new AI-tailored Magic Design templates and the usual existing design templates that you can choose from. With the Magic Design template, you can further customize your designs. For instance, you can change the category from the top-down menu and select, let's say, social media. Under that category, you can choose a specific format like WhatsApp status. This should be under your stories. You can also add an image that suits your brand by selecting from your existing media or uploading a new image. Once you have selected your media and made the necessary adjustment, simply click on See Results. Customizing your design. The AI will generate several design options based on your choices and specifications. Click on a design template to explore it further and make some adjustment. You can also use it as it is. Keep in mind that it's fully customizable. If you decide to take your design a step further, think of it as your artistic playground, a place where you can add your own unique flair and make it truly your own, adding that special touch that AI just can't replicate. You can unleash your creative by tweaking the color palette to match your style, adding or removing design elements to suit your vision. These playful customizations are where your design truly comes to life, reflecting your individuality and imagination. You can write a custom message for your design, or you can use a Magic Write to generate a message for you. You will find the Magic Write feature conveniently accessible through the Canva Assistant button. The button is conveniently situated for easy access while you are working on a design project, positioned at the right-hand side near the bottom corner of your screen. Here, you can effortlessly and easily generate AI-written text tailored to match your prompt or request. Let's try out with a short prompt. Write a 3-word sentence for believing in yourself. And in an instant, we have a text to add to our design. When you click on the Magic Write button, which appears when your text is in editing mode or clicked and highlighted in purple frame, a drop-down menu will pop up. This menu provides you with additional options including continue writing, rewrite, summarize text, and more. The Magic Write feature will appear on any selected text box, whether you manually entered the text or generated it using AI. Finalizing and sharing your design. Once you are satisfied with your design, click the Share button to download and save it to your device. Share your beautiful crafted designs with your friends, family, or followers to spread the magic. I have introduced two magic tools, Magic Design and Magic Write. I have included Magic Write because the idea to design category relies on a prompt, and I want to show you how they complement each other. Additionally, Magic Write is quite likely to be a valuable asset in your creation of any design work. It can play a significant role in quickly generating fresh or additional text to your design project. How easy was that? You have just learned how to use Canva Magic Design tool to turn your creative ideas into stunning visual designs. Keep experimenting and creating. It's all about having fun and letting your imagination run wild. Thank you for completing this lesson. Please pause for a moment to reflect on what you've covered today. As Dr. Joe Dispenza says, knowledge is for the mind, experience is for the body. Apply what you've learned practically, and I'll see you in our next session. Happy designing.